If you're a complete beginner coming back to the guitar, or you just want to sharpen your skills, head to the Skill Builder section. Shape 2, major pentatonic D shape in the key of G. All right, here we go. 2, ready, go. Shape 2 of the major pentatonic. This is known as the D shape. How many shapes we got? 5. Oh, you're halfway there. Oh. All right, guys. We are, just short of halfway, and we're almost on our way past halfway. This is a big one. I love this shape. It's fantastic. It's very playable. But to start, we're going to learn this a little bit more with dexterity and control. So we're still evolving both our hands. So we're going to play it out of a position that keeps our fingers mostly in their lanes. And then this is the only shape of the pentatonic where we have to move. So we're going to have to rotate our hand up. So at this point, we should be very comfortable with shape 5. It should be feeling pretty fluid. Our right hand alternate picking technique should feel pretty darn stable. And then shape 1 should be maybe a little bit tougher. It's hard spreading our fingers, but we're kind of getting it. So as we head to shape 2, those should be getting solid. Chromatic drills should be feeling real good. The guitar should be, hey, okay, I'm starting to understand my distances. I'm starting to understand how it feels as we get to this one. So, as always, when I mention the other one, this does not float. This shape is technically the high side, half of it, of shape 1 below it. So shape 1 landed up here, right? 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5. Well, guess what? Shape 2, if we move our hand up, 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5. Again, if this doesn't make sense, don't worry. I am planting seeds for later. I just want us to always remember everything in music is connected. And if it feels like it's floating, it's not, and it will connect. Something I've really noticed over the years is that I can have students very close to understanding a concept, but because they don't fully get it and they're on that 3-yard line, it can feel super distant, like they're on Jupiter. So just remember, everything's connected, and we'll work on gluing it all together as we go. So our shape 2 major pentatonic D shape in the key of G, I know it's a mouthful, but don't worry, we'll separate those 3 things soon, is going to be right here on the 5th fret. And it's going to be middle pinky 3 times in a row. So let's try to make sure our alternate picking is working. Let's give this a go. Ready, go. No metronome. Down, up, middle pinky, middle pinky. Okay, changes little pointer pinky. And then here's the big deal with this shape. Our hand is right now in between frets 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to move it up to 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the 2nd fret, we're going to play index pinky, and that's going to make it 5, 8. On the last string, it's index ring. Okay, it's going to feel awkward. Go slow, but don't worry about it. Keep those fingers in the lanes. I like to call them kind of the lanes of, if you're on a school bus, each 1 kid per seat on this school bus, all right? No sharing. So 1 kid per seat. Stay in those lanes. Let's give it a go one more time. 5th fret on the bottom. Ready, go. Middle pinky. Again, middle pinky. Same. Index pinky. Now we're going to move up to the 5th fret with our index and then our pinky. That gives us on the 5th and 8th index ring. That would be phase 1 of this. Not worried about the metronome. Our right hand picking technique feels good and stable. And our left hand, for the first time, is making movements up. So the kids are staying in the school bus in those seats, playing along and moving their way up. Okay, phase 2 would be typical. It'd be our way back down. So we'd be comfortable going up, and then we'd start going down for the first time. Now remember, on the way down, this guy right here has to come down. So now your pinky has to move your hand's position to be down on the 4th through 7th frets. Okay? Phase 3, that would be like they always are. We'll then add the metronome, and we'll be playing on time with it. So let's try it with the metronome real quick. Here we go. 2, ready, go. Sweet. All right. Once you get to that level, you can slowly push the metronome up. If we're looking backwards, shape 5 should be feeling real comfortable. Shape 1 might still be a little bit awkward, but feeling a little better. You might like this one more than shape 1, actually. I found most people don't really love shape 1, but shape 2 is fun. It's a great shape. Stay present to it. Feel those hands and get used to the first time that you're moving lanes, that you're moving those seats, and you're coming up from the 4th to the 7th, up to the 5th and the 8th fret. What's good, people? Mental mindset, all right? This one I've seen just over and over and over, and I've been victim to it myself certainly a million times. And that's trying to learn when to push your practice and really lock in, and when to just sustain. Part of the reason I built the app is to take some of that pressure off and alleviate it on the days we're maybe not doing so great. If you get some self-reflection, you're seeing yourself and you find that you're having a bad day, a bad week, you're really negative, you're seeing all the negative, maybe that's even happening in your guitar because you're just putting your perceptions of where you should be, or you're not where you want to be, or you're doom scrolling and seeing everybody else doing other things, and we've missed out on one of those main pillars, right? That presence pillar. But we're just having not a great time. It happens. It's okay. On those days or weeks or maybe longer, it happens too. We just want to run the drills and stay as present to it as we can. I promise, the more present you are to your guitar, the more you'll start feeling that guitar come to life. You'll start growing that relationship, and it's awesome. It feels fantastic. Literally, the guitar literally vibrates. I love that sensation. But your hands start slowly getting connected. No matter where you're at on your learning curve, you will notice this. So this one is all about taking time to know where you're at and know really when to push. When you're feeling good and you've been consistent and you're feeling positive, that might be a good day to start really pushing your drills forward. Start pushing speeds, start pushing control, start diving back into these and thinking, hey, maybe what am I doing wrong? How could my hand be off? But man, if we're not feeling great, maybe don't dive super deep. Maybe don't see all the things that we're still trying to work on. We're still trying to fix. Give those space, give those a little bit of time for the days that you're feeling fantastic and fired up. So number 1, we want to keep that consistency. That's why we got the app. Even when we're not feeling good, we just want to do the drills and try to be there. Maybe we're frustrated, but it's fine. Maybe we grip the guitar a little bit tight. That's fine. Just relax, stay present. Because what's going to happen is on our worst days, if we stay consistent, on our best days, we are going to feel fired up. We're going to feel connected. We're going to love picking up the guitar, and we're going to love going. So it's all about those 3 pillars, staying consistent, which ultimately keeps us present, right? And we gain that clarity. Just remember, on those days that aren't so great, when we're not feeling great, just don't push on those days. So this one is learning when to learn, when to push. Be conscious of yourself, be okay with where you're at, make sure that you're pushing on your good days and your best energy, and you're not trying to make huge progress on your bad days, because you will quickly find you may get into a negative mental spiral, and then man, you're just sitting there unraveling your goop. It's not good. We don't want to do that. So let's keep our mental mindset. Let's push on the days we're positive. Let's stay consistent and not overwhelm ourselves on the days we're maybe not feeling as great. Hey, you made it this far, and that is absolutely awesome. That means that you truly care about learning and understanding. That's why I built FretRepz for you. It offers clarity, tracks progress, and turns drills into real skills. No more wasted time, no more guessing. head to the link below or go to FretRepz.com and give it a try. Also, if you found this information helpful, please subscribe and ring that notification bell because we got plenty more coming. FretRepz. Practice smarter, play better.